Well, welcome back. Let's play this game again. This game called Slapper. What is this game again? Since I'm the admin, I always forget everything like names and others. So as you can see, I'm a roll fruit right now. Let's see what we get. Come on, Gacha. You know this. I'm you. And you have to give me something. Good bro. Ooh, Flopper. Flopper. Thanks, man. You're the best. But Flopper, wow. We're gonna keep that because the rework is because it might have rework soon. It has rework soon, bro. And as you can see, my level is 153, and I also have my own yellow blade. You cannot get anything from boss if you're not level like super low level or lower level than the boss. So you can get anything from this boss because I'm level 100 and I'm level 153 and he's level 100. So basically we're almost like the same level. But I can still get something from him. But if I'm like 500 and I'm defeating some boss like level 1500, I couldn't get anything from that thing. Or if you're level 100, you're very low, so you cannot get anything from boss that is level 1000 if you're low level than him. Well, we will have 2 fruits that will gonna rework soon. So I'm gonna roll it and see what fruit. Come on, boy, I'm you. Oh, come on. Buy 10. Come on. Come on, give me the hoop. Give me the hoop. Finally. It's a legendary. Another legendary. You know what I'm talking about? This fruit. No, I mean this fruit. The gold fruit. So basically we will rework that soon. And I still don't have the rework one. And it's still not yet updating because it might take a long time updating this gold fruit. So yeah. I'm gonna reset all that I've got. It's okay. So sometimes it's good for combos, but not at all. Only if you have purple katana, which is hard to get, can be only get from the boss. From a boss named Amogus and the mysterious that's great. What the fuck is that again? I know, not the party. This is where the boss is. The forgotten island. You need Sussy Orb to get it. And that's it. I'll be showing the trailer like on March 8th. I'll be showing it because they said that I will end or I will finish my trailer on March 8th, which is that so long. So anyways, goodbye guys, and the door is gonna be reworked and the flopper is gonna be reworked for the new combo. And I'll show you combos in this game. So goodbye.